Hey guys, it's Ryan from Car Audio Inc. Excuse the mess right now. Things have been a little hectic here. But I was just wiring up a noise suppression relay. And I just wanted to kind of show you how it works. So it's basically a normal relay. This is one of the mini relays from Directed. You can get it on Amazon. Put the link in the description if you want it. It's just it's very common to use 30 amp relays in automotive 12 volt applications, and you know, that's great if you're running a lot of stuff, but you know, something small with what we're doing, you know, this is a 20 amp relay, which is still overkill, but the as you can see, let me see if I can get one real quick. I should have planned this better. God damn it. Oh, you piece of shit. Okay. So yeah, this is a standard 30-40 amp relay. As you can see, the size difference. It's quite substantial. I'm trying to hide this in the dash versus this. So that's why we're using this. And basically what we're doing is, so I'm working on a system right now that has a DSP in it, and anytime you amplify the signal, run it through more you know, signal chains. When there's more components in the signal chain, the noise floor gets more sensitive. So it'll bring out, you know, most cars are somewhat noisy as it is, but if you only have like a head unit or an amp hooked up to that head unit, you may not get noise. But a lot of people find as soon as you add a DSP, that's where you're gonna see noise, if there is any. So you know, I'm just, what I'm saying, every car is different. You may not experience noise, but if you are, this is a good way to combat that, is to make one of these relays. So just gonna break it down real quick. Your 86 and 85 pins are this blue and black. So the black goes to ground, and the blue is going to go to one of your vehicle's accessory outputs. So basically what we're doing is we have a dedicated 12 gauge power wire running from the battery to the head unit, but there's no point in doing that if you're having noise issues without providing a noise-free accessory wire to turn that head unit on. You know, it's like if the 12 volt constant in the car is noisy, there's a good chance that the accessory is going to be noisy as well. And I found that, you know, there's more of a chance to have noise on the accessory than there is on the constant. So yeah, you got your 86 and 85 right here. Like I said, this goes to an accessory, tapping into an accessory into the car. This is 87, I think. Yeah, it's either 87 or 87A. But you know, the top one is going to go to the constant that we ran to the head unit. You're going to tap into there, and then the red, which is 30, which is, you know, there's a million ways to, not a million, but quite a few ways to run a relay. And, you know, I just like to keep some consistency with the wires so I don't get confused. And I don't have to constantly, you know, keep different wiring schematics for relays in my head. You know, it's like this is how most people run them, so that's how we're going to run them with these colors. When they came, they didn't have these colors, so I swapped out the pins for the colors that I like. So back to what I was saying is, so this is, yellow is power in, red is power out. That's the circuit that's connected by the 2 coil wires. And by doing this, you're going to get an accessory wire that is noise free, and that's going to go to the red wire on the head unit, assuming you're using, you know, Kenwood Pioneer, a decent head unit that follows proper wire colors, you know, or most wire colors. Anyway, that's a whole nother discussion. But yeah, you know, I hope, as you can see, I'm just showing you, we got the Stinger RCAs with the, you know, they're directional, I guess, you know. I'm not sure what to say about that. I just do it, not sure if it works or not. I have taken these apart, and I'm getting off on a tangent, but I just figure if you're curious about this stuff, I have taken these Stinger RCAs apart with the directional wiring, and there is a drain wire connected to this side, but not on the other side. So whether it helps or not, I don't know, but at least this isn't fucking bullshit. You know, so some of them have arrows, but there's no difference in the wiring and the makeup of the wire. So anyway, you can see we got the white, gray, green, purple, and then the sub wires, which have a black and a red, which is, I always do the colored as the right channel. So yeah, thanks for watching.